Hello everyone, here's Flora again. Today we are talking about work from home expenses. Um, After COVID-19 broke out, a lot of employees started to work from home. So that's why a lot of clients ask me how to claim their home office expenses on their 2020 year-end tax return. So let's go for that.
Today's topic, working from home deductions. I'm Flora, and I'm coming from Fabulous Accounting Solutions. Firstly, we have to know what kind of work from home expenses we can claim. So I list 5 items here. Firstly, we can claim electricity expenses for heating, cooling, and lighting. Secondly, we can claim work area cleaning costs. Thirdly, we can claim phone and internet expenses you spend at home for work. Fourthly, you can claim printing and stationery. Finally, you can claim home office equipment you purchased for work, like a computer, laptop, or printer, mobile, furniture, and furnishings. Employees work from home. What kind of home expenses you can't claim? First and foremost, uh, occupancy expenses you can't claim. It's like your home loan, mortgage interest, rent, and rates. You can't claim that. And another stuff, mandatory expenses you can't claim as well at home, just like the coffee, milk, tea. I know your employer can claim at a workplace for stuff, but unfortunately, you can't claim this kind of expenses when you work at home as an employee. We know normally we got 2 methods to claim for this kind of expenses. But during this special time, due to COVID-19, and the government announced a temporary shortcut method for employees to claim at home. This the first one I will introduce to you. That's called the temporary shortcut method. So the running expenses from 1st of March 2020 till at least end of this financial year, you can claim a fixed rate of 80 cents per work hour for all additional running expenses. So that's a simplified way, so you can just claim 80 cents per work hours at home, so you don't need keep any other record or keep any other receipts for any other running expenses. So that's a simple way. Secondly, that's a fixed rate method. So government said you can claim depreciation on your computer, on your laptop, or similar electronic device, your depreciation on office furniture. But in this case, you only can claim reduced fixed rate, like 52 cents per working hour for heating, cooling, lighting, and cleaning. But also you can claim your actual cost for phone and internet spend at home. Of course, include the printing and the stationery, the actual costs you spend at home. You can claim that. Lastly, that's the actual cost method. That means you have to keep daily entries to claim all the actual work-related portion of your running expenses on a reasonable basis, include all the items we stated before. Finally, if you are not owning an employee, if you are also a business owner, if you are a businessman, if you choose you home place as your business address, you still can choose to claim work-related portion of your occupancy expenses based on your floor area percentage for rent, home interest, home insurance, land tax, and rates. But you have to keep in mind, in doing so, you won't qualify for fully capital gain tax exemption for your main primary residency, because in this case you use part of your home for work instead or for business instead of for the private use. So that's why you can't get 100% exemption. Yeah, when you sell your property at a late time. So yeah, just keep in mind this. If you want to have the 100% tax exemption for your primary residential place, please don't claim your business occupancy expenses in your tax return every year. Okay, so that's all of the information we would like to talk about today. So if you have any questions about this, or you have any other expenses questions you want to ask, please remember to leave a comment or send a message to me. I will answer your question next week. Okay, see you next week. Thanks. Bye.